Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the open weave stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the open weave stitch. This is what it will look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 2. This open weave stitch is made up of a single crochet, 3 chains, and a double crochet. I will show you how to make that into your chains as we go along on the row that I am currently working. So for this row, I have made 3 chains on my hook. Into your first stitch, you're going to make a double crochet. For your first open weave stitch, you're going to work into this opening right here. You're going to make a single crochet, chain 3, and then a double crochet into that same space. So for your first row into your chains, you're going to work that single crochet into your second chain from your hook. Chain 3, make a double crochet into that same chain. Then you're going to skip 2 chains and you're going to work another open weave stitch using the same single chain 3 double into the same stitch or chain. So to continue this row, you're going to move over to your next open space. You're going to work a single, chain 3, and then a double into that same open space. Next open space, single, chain 3, double. Next open space, single, chain 3, double. That's how that is looking. Next open space, single, chain 3, and a double. Next open space, single, chain 3, and a double. Next open space, single, chain 3, and a double, all in that same open space. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to make a double crochet into the last stitch. And that's how that row is looking. So you would repeat this one row for however long you want your project. And that's going to be how to make the open weave stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.